Hey there, JD and FIA. I want to show you a progression I like to go to after a song is over, and like we're going into a worship mode, or either the pastor's talking, someone's talking, and you just want to set that atmosphere. Right, what I have going on, I have piano, a little bit of electric piano, strings, and a pad. All right, you can set yours up how you want to, depending on what kind of keyboard you're using. All right, so let me give you these chords real quick. This is for beginners. All right, so it's going to be very simple. All right, I'm in the key of D flat. All right, so our D flat major scale, D flat star 1, E flat star 2, F is our 3, G flat star 4, A flat star 5, B flat is our 6, C is our 7, and then back to D flat. All right. What we're doing here, we're going, the progression is going to go 5. All right, so we're going to go 5, and then we're going to go flat 7. All right, in the D flat major scale, C is our 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, we're going to take that back a half step and flat it. So B will be our flat 7. All right, so we're going to go from 5 to 7, flat 7, sorry. And then we're going to go to 6, B flat, so our 6. And then we're going to go down to our sharp 5, a half step, which is A. All right. We're going to throw these chords with it. Like I said, it's going to be very simple. All right. Left hand I'm playing a 5 chord. Left hand I'm playing A flat and E flat. Right hand I'm playing a D flat major chord, second inversion. So I have A flat, D flat, and F. All right. My 5 chord. From here, I'm going to go to my flat 7. Left hand, I'm going to go to B and G flat. And right hand, I'm going to play the exact same chord I was playing over the A flat. Keep it the same. All right. From here, I'm going to hit the A flat, and we're going to play a G flat chord first inversion, G flat major. So left hand, I got B flat and G flat. Right hand, I got B flat, D flat, and G flat. All right, so we got D flat over A flat, D flat over B, to our G flat over B flat. You're gonna hit the A flat again, and play the same exact chord, but you're gonna drop you're gonna drop the bottom notes. So left hand, I'm gonna go from B flat and G flat. I'm gonna drop those down to A and E. All right. Right hand, I'm gonna take the B flat here and drop it down to A. So all together, I have A, E on my left hand. Right hand, A, C sharp. D flat, E flat, G flat. Put it all together. All right, you don't have to put the E in there if you don't want to. It's up to you. All right, leave it in and take it out. Doesn't matter. All right. From there, we're gonna walk up from our 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. All right, so just 2 chords, because one of them's the same. All right, for the E flat minor, we're gonna play E flat minor 7 chord for our 2. All right, left hand E flat and E flat. Right hand B flat, D flat, G flat. All right, so to get there, we're gonna walk off the E flat and F. All and then hit the chord. All right. From here, for next, we're gonna play a D flat major over F. So D flat first inversion. All right, left hand, F and F. Right hand, A flat, D flat, F. All right. Then we're gonna go back to the same chord that we played at the beginning with the E flat, and we're gonna play it over G flat as our 4 chord. So left hand, I got G flat, right hand, B flat, D flat, G flat. All right, back to the 5. All right, you can walk through the B flat if you want to, like this. Like that. All right, you can drop down. All right. A flat, E flat, A. And go to the B. Build up. Take it out. All right, so I hope that helped. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.